Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about YouTube automation. In the simplest terms, YouTube automation is the use of tools, software, and freelancers to automate various tasks related to managing your YouTube channel. This can include anything from uploading videos and scheduling them for release, to outsourcing the writing of video descriptions. Did you know automating YouTube video production is the next step in YouTube marketing? YouTube's evolution from a massive collection of cat and baby videos to the world's second engine has resulted in a wealth of opportunities for brands and creators. How does YouTube automation work? Finally, one more process that's often part of YouTube automation is channel management. That includes everything from uploading videos, adding descriptions and chapters, selecting the right tags, tracking analytics, and answering comments. Did you know the best YouTube automation tool in 2023? The best U3, as found in our independent testing, is Use Viral. YouTube automation is the hottest trend right now. YouTube has evolved from a small video sharing platform to a global internet giant. After Google, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. YouTube automation channels are faceless YouTube channels that fully outsource the channel's operations to create a passive income stream for the channel owner. Here are some YouTube automation gossip and dramas. 3. Space Tech. For travel guides. The video that you are watching is also an example of YouTube automation. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, then comment. And don't forget to subscribe and like or share. Bye.